Easy day. So today in the morning I had to take these trades. This one for the long, which was a win, and this one for a short, which was break even because, or maybe of a slippage, a win. So, but I couldn't take those trades. Well, that means that they didn't happen. It's pity because I would be quite good on this week then. Up on this week, but right now I'm down. I couldn't execute those trades because I was not present that moment. So, and today we have a PPI news. PPI, as you can see, maybe I don't know if I actually care about it. 0.3, 0.7, whatever it says. But right now we're establishing the candles, the candle low, the candle high. Whereas, for example, we do it like this and we do it like this, right? So this is my exact strategy for 50 ticks, which could be like easy game. But if that hits, you know, we are whoa, somebody just bought something. We have still 10 minutes left, but also there is a possibility for us to go through this, you know, and to have that. So we are right now what thinking whether we should take a starting trade. These ones are definitely the ones that I want to take. The break of the low of PPI candle and the break of highs of PPI candle. Also high of the day. Low of the day? Yeah, that would be perfect. But right now we're having a little tighter like range, right? Where we wanna maybe see the break to the upside here or peon. I wonder how much that would be of a break to the downside. What do you think? What could be the answer? I don't know. From what I see right now, I would like to short just before they open. I would like to short just before they open for this target. Just before they open, because I think that this range is gonna be tested again. And I just wanna make sure that I'm in the right spot for this because it's an easy target, very easy target. And yeah, I'm in the trade before they open. Before they open. Why? Because of the structure, and it's a two-way trade. I don't know why we're lagging so much. Okay. Because of the structure, as I said. Beast, nice win. If we are coming down fast, I'm a bit scared about that. I would think that it will exhaust here, you know, and we will not get another 50 ticks. That's the problem. So what I did, yeah, easy money trades. That one was also after this drop. There was no like this. Okay, let's put it right here. 50 ticks for the break of PPI candle to the downside. Let's see. This is my strategy. This is what I would repeat over and over again. I know I said to myself that this is after first win, I'm out of the trades, but on the other hand, this is a nice bounce, by the way, of the VWAP. This structure is I like. This structure is I like. It stopped a little bit, now it thinks about it, so it's good for my short trade. Also, we've seen a lot of times that on these days when the market overall is always long, that shorts are not really what is being rewarded, right? That they are not being rewarded that much. But we have this, I think, like we we just we have the strategy. I don't know if it works all the time, if it works half of the time. I haven't back tested it, but I have the idea from what I saw previously, right? So that this is if it hits the lows of CPI candle, PPI candle, there is a big chance for 50 ticks profit. Okay, so let's see with 2 contracts or 20 micros or 10 or 2 minis. Let's see. This is like a bit of kind of stopping this momentum, right? Because on the open there was a huge drop, and now we are just thinking and bouncing back and forth. So this is not a not ideal situation, but right now we are at there where I want to be, and the trade went almost got rejected, but now probably if we build some pressure over here, like we stay here, consolidate for more, then there will be a bounced breakout, but I have to stay calm and see the continuation, right? Or this is gonna be a reversal. W, it means reversal pattern. It will not come back to the same level if it's a reversal. If it's not a reversal, it will break and it will continue. So that's good news. Right now, I'm not trying to go long because we have this one also. Yes, and we have this gap, like quick falling gap, maybe to the upside. If we kind of break that, can draw we chunks bounced, maybe like that. I don't know, but for now, I'm looking what's gonna happen. This is a huge wick, which indicates us longs getting covered, right? Which is also actually was a very nice thing to do to short on the open. I didn't have anything in particular, but it's repeatable. Like, so let's see. So this is definitely okay. Now, if you want to go long, you have to go long right here. But for me, it's kind of in the middle of something. So I'm staying calm, patient. It's like it can go both ways, still can go both ways. Or at least for me, it looks very, very 50-50, where it's gonna go. But if this is not going up, then it will take this, and it will definitely be very in the big momentum. But we're probably moving up. That's okay. That's okay. It's not a big deal. It's definitely not a big deal. So also CPI candle is kind of this low, which is for my setup. I want to take this low and short the market, or take this high and long the market for this, which is kind of also a very nice setup would be, but with a target not one-to-one, with a target of at least these highs. It's high probability trade, I suppose. So you see right now it's just I would be frustrated. Too much frustration. So where we at? See, we are oopsie. Okay, so we will be in the trade right here. Even a little bit there. So you see, we didn't have any lots of juice. What about the maybe ES would put me on a better understanding what's going on. But actually, okay, let's see ES for that because MES is probably not the right beast to 5 years. Okay, my God, I just made a big mistake. So see, it's not still a hit, but we're going down. But yeah. We will do that. We will do that. These two lows before. Nice, nice. You'll see this. Okay, so here up until there on the view have lots of orders, right? Definitely a weird spot to be in. This lots of pressure building up. Lots of pressure building up. Negative pressure. Sellers are very hard here. Will they win or not? Let's see. But this candle is producing lots of sellers in these areas. Wowzers! Wow, one tick away. Okay, now we go and we pray. No, we don't pray. We just wait for our target to be hit. Will be orders here, definitely. Oh shit, that's what I don't like. That is what I don't like. That's like too little inertia. Mm, we can come back to the same area. Where is this area? And wick out to this area previously. Maybe if we hit that one, so I'm wrong, definitely wrong. We are still bouncing in this one. That that bottom is what I don't like. Okay, we took that's the third candle. Sellers at the bottom, buyers at the top. Mm, sellers. Yeah, I don't like that actually. Okay, I like that. The second will be definitely hit. And what could be the risk I took? 54. So 100 risk would have been also a decent risk. Yep. Little bit, just more, just a little bit more. Show me that PPI candle break is at least worth 50 ticks or something like that, because right now we're yeah, let's wait a little bit. I think we're gonna go Gucci.